Welcome aboard the stunning MSC Divina, a true masterpiece of the sea, blending Italian elegance, modern design, and world-class hospitality. Inspired by the glamorous Sophia Loren, this ship brings the golden age of cruising into the 21st century. Sailing with MSC Cruises, the Divina offers an unforgettable experience across the Caribbean, Mediterranean, and beyond. With her sleek design and sparkling interiors, every corner of this ship feels like a five-star floating resort. Step inside the heart of the ship, the breathtaking atrium, featuring a Swarovski crystal staircase that captures every ray of light. Enjoy elegant evenings at the Pantheon Theater, where world-class performers light up the stage with music, dance, and passion. Dining aboard the MSC Divina is a journey of flavors. From the authentic Italian cuisine at La Cantina di Bacco to the fresh seafood at the Black Crab restaurant, every meal is a celebration. Don't miss the Italy Steakhouse, where top-quality ingredients meet Mediterranean creativity. And for a more casual experience, the Calumet Buffet serves up global dishes 20 hours a day, perfect for any appetite. Relax in beautifully designed staterooms, from cozy interior cabins to luxurious MSC Yacht Club suites, complete with private butler service, exclusive dining, and a serene sun deck overlooking the ocean. There's never a dull moment aboard MSC Divina. Take a dip in one of the pools, unwind at the Aria Spa, or stay active at the sports complex. Families will love the kids and teens clubs, packed with fun, games, and themed activities for all ages. When night falls, the ship truly comes alive. Enjoy a cocktail under the stars, dance the night away at Galaxy Disco, or watch the sea sparkle beneath you from the infinity pool, a view you'll never forget. The MSC Divina isn't just a cruise. It's a divine experience filled with luxury, laughter, and lifelong memories. So get ready to explore, unwind, and fall in love with the beauty of life at sea. Don't forget to subscribe for more stunning cruise ship tours and travel adventures.